Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, yet millions of people are dangerously low on it without even knowing. You might think it's not a big deal, but a vitamin D deficiency can silently damage your bones, immune system, and even mental health. If you're always tired, sick, or in pain, this could be the reason. The worst part, most people don't realize they're deficient until it's too late. But don't worry, this video will show you how to fix your vitamin D levels quickly and naturally before serious problems arise. Part 1. Why vitamin D is critical for your body. Vitamin D is far more than just a vitamin. It's a powerful hormone that affects nearly every system in your body. It plays a crucial role in regulating over 2,000 genes, meaning it directly impacts processes like bone health, immune function, mood stability, and muscle strength. One of its most important jobs is helping your body absorb calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, your bones become brittle and weak, leading to conditions like osteoporosis and fractures as you age. Part 2. The silent epidemic. Why so many people are deficient. Vitamin D deficiency has become a global epidemic, with nearly 1 billion people worldwide suffering from dangerously low levels. But why is this happening? The main reason is modern lifestyles. Unlike our ancestors, who spent most of their time outdoors, today's society keeps us trapped indoors for most of the day. We work in offices, study in classrooms, and relax in front of screens, limiting our exposure to natural sunlight, the best source of vitamin D. Another major problem is sunscreen and protective clothing. While these are important for preventing sunburn and skin cancer, they block the UVB rays needed to produce vitamin D. Part 3. Common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency doesn't always cause immediate symptoms, which is why many people go years without knowing they are lacking this essential nutrient. However, as the deficiency worsens, it begins to affect the body in several ways. Here are some common warning signs. Constant fatigue and weakness. If you always feel exhausted, even after a full night's sleep, low vitamin D could be the reason. It plays a key role in energy production, and a deficiency can make you feel tired and sluggish all the time. Frequent colds and infections. Vitamin D is a major booster for your immune system. Without it, your body becomes more vulnerable to infections, colds, flu, and even serious illnesses. Bone pain and muscle aches. If you experience aching joints, muscle stiffness, or unexplained pain, it could be due to weakened bones and muscles from low vitamin D levels. Feeling depressed or anxious. Vitamin D directly influences mood-regulating hormones, and low levels have been linked to seasonal depression, anxiety, and overall mood swings. Part 4. The best natural source. Sunlight. The most natural and effective way to increase your vitamin D levels is sun exposure. But not all sunlight is created equal. Certain factors affect how much vitamin D your body can produce from the sun. The best time for vitamin D production is between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., when the sun's UVB rays are strongest. During this time, just 15–30 minutes of direct sunlight on bare skin, such as arms, legs, or face, can significantly boost your vitamin D levels. If you live in an area with long winters or high pollution, you may need to supplement with vitamin D or use foods rich in it. Part 5. The problem with food sources. Vitamin D is hard to get from food alone because very few foods naturally contain it. Some good sources include fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and cereals. However, even a healthy diet may not be enough to meet daily vitamin D needs, which is why supplements are often necessary. Part 6. Choosing the right vitamin D supplement. If you're not getting enough sun, a supplement is the next best option, but not all supplements are created equal. Always look for vitamin D3 cholecalciferol, because it's the most effective form for raising blood levels. Part 7. The power of vitamin D and K2 together. Taking vitamin D alone is not enough. It needs vitamin K2 to direct calcium to the bones instead of the arteries. Without K2, calcium can build up in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. That's why the best combination is vitamin D3 plus K2. Part 8. The right dosage. How much do you need? Getting the right amount of vitamin D is crucial for maintaining optimal health. For most adults, the recommended daily intake is 600–800 IU, but if you are deficient, you may need 1000–4000 IU to restore healthy levels. Some individuals, especially those with severe deficiencies, might require even higher doses, but this should only be done under medical supervision. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, excessive intake can lead to toxicity, causing calcium buildup in the blood and leading to complications like kidney damage. Part 9. Why fixing your deficiency can change your life. Correcting a vitamin D deficiency can have a life-changing impact on your overall health. Within weeks of improving vitamin D levels, people report increased energy, better mood, and stronger bones and muscles. It also enhances immune function, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Many notice improved sleep, faster recovery from illnesses, and better mental clarity. Since vitamin D plays a role in reducing inflammation, it can also help with joint pain and muscle stiffness. Part 10. Take action now before it's too late. Vitamin D deficiency is often called a silent epidemic because most people don't realize they have it until serious symptoms appear. Weak bones, frequent illnesses, chronic fatigue, and even depression can all stem from low vitamin D levels. But the good news, it's completely preventable and reversible if you take action now. Get your levels checked, increase sun exposure, eat vitamin D-rich foods, and choose a high-quality supplement if needed. Don't wait until your health declines. Fix your deficiency today and protect your future well-being. Vitamin D is one of the most essential nutrients for your body, yet millions of people unknowingly suffer from its deficiency. The consequences can be severe, affecting bone health, immunity, energy levels, and even mental well-being. But the good news is that fixing this deficiency is simple and effective. By getting enough sunlight and taking the right supplements, you can restore your health, boost your energy, and prevent long-term diseases. Don't ignore the signs. Take control of your health today and ensure your body gets the vitamin D it desperately needs. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.